Hello my friend, meet me again with Farida. Today I will show you how to make Stingray Amigurumi. Cute but simple for make Stingray. We need gray yarn, white yarn, and black yarn for eyes. I use Balinese catton and hook size 3mm. And let's start for make Stingray Amigurumi. Round 1, make chains, 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, round 2 to round 4, just make single crochet 4 times. Chain 1, turn, round 3, single crochet 4 times, 2, 3, 4, chain 1, turn, round 4, single crochet 4 times again, now round 5, chain 1, turn, the first stitch to single crochet, and then single crochet 2 times, 1, 2, and the last stitch to single crochet, chain 1, turn again, round 6, make 2 single crochet in stitch, the first stitch, then single crochet 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 single crochet for the last stitch. Chain 1, turn, round 7, make 2 single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 again, turn, round 8 now, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and then make single crochet 8 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last stitch make 2 single crochet. Round 9, chain 1, turn, round 9, we just make single crochet. We will have 12 single crochet in round 9. Round 10, make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 2 single crochet, and then make single crochet 10 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last stitch, make 2 single crochet, chain 1, turn for round 11 to 12, the same single crochet until last stitch, chain 1, turn. Chain 1, turn. Now round 13, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and then make a single crochet 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 2 single crochet in the last stitch, chain 1, turn. In the same, make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, and then make 14 single crochet for 14 times. Then the last stitch, make 2 single crochet, chain 1. Then now round 15, make 2 single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet 16 times. Last stitch, 2 single crochet, chain 1, and then cut your yarn. You can see like this. Now count from the first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we make a single crochet 2 times in here. This for make tail. One, 2, chain 1, turn, and make a single crochet 2 times again. Chain 1, turn. Repeat until, follow this pattern until around 13. Just make single crochet 2 times, chain 1, turn. Okay, I finish for make until around 13, and then make one again for the bottom. Okay, like this, and we will every side. We crochet together, crochet, Before you crochet all, you need that crown for fill. And crochet together again. And when tail, just make a slip stitch every side. Yarn over, slip stitch, yarn over, slip stitch, yarn over, slip stitch, yarn over, slip stitch until finish you crochet tail. Finally, I finished for make Stingray Amigurumi. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget for subscribe and like my video.